Alright guys, we're running away from... Crap, I need to pause. Oh my god, I paused it when its eyeballs showed.
That. We're running away from that. Well, let us go. Wow. It looks super scary.
I'm gonna go fight it.
I don't think it's gonna necessarily do that.
I'll go fight it. See you guys later.
There's the poopy one up here. I must stick with the poopy one.
Fight! Ow.
Why are you getting hit so much? Ah, there we go. I'm not good at doors.
Oh crap.
When you get hit, it gives you a ghost stone.
Oh crap. You have Snailbird.
I know.
When you get hit, Snailbird just sits there. I have no pet.
He's just sitting there staring at it. No, you have Insta Ball.
Oh.
You don't see Insta Ball.
He's not following me. Is your pet following you?
Yeah. Before Snailbird was just looking at the beach. Like, oh my god, what is that? I'm taking a photo and posting it on Instagram.
Instaball's not following you.
He's following me for some reason. I guess I got two pets. It's kind of weird.
No, look it.
He's not following anybody. That's weird. Instaball is weird.
Wait, we're close to the end. We're coming out. We can speed up.
Ah! Oh, Instaball died. He sat there for some reason. Loggy. Yeah. Now to defeat the crazy cat.
Oh crap.
Ow! Ow!
I ain't getting on that
Ow.
stinky log.
My love.
Crap. You seriously want that crappy log?
I can't get back on the log. I get on, but I fall off.
No, you're on it.
It just doesn't even
No,
look.
seriously, you're on
It's crazy. I want to get off, but it's
it. No, you're on the log.
But I'm swimming while being on the log. This is crazy. Alright, now the log is gone.
The arrow dude killed the fish.
And not us. I have to ride on a dead guy for that. Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me!
Just a few bombs and this guy's dead.
I have to sit on a dead body. This is disgusting. This is awfully disgusting.
Oh crap, too much hurt.
And that too. Actually, you know we're related,
Fishy!
right? It's just that we're...
Ooh!
There's another fishy.
Yay! King.
Hi, Mr. King.
I don't see anything. Where's he looking at?
Ah! Alex, look!
Ew!
Ew! Get it away!
There's shield. Get your fishy. Oh, he missed. He missed.
He's
Shield.
closing in on us. It's crazy.
He don't have a fishy. Dude, fishy.
Dude, literally, you just missed. I think you're pretty stupid. Ew, do not
There's
forget
shield.
that. It's so disgusting.
Shield. Okay. I
That
only do it.
was quick.
My bombs can ripple on the water.
Cool. It's cool. Alright, one more ocean and one more adventure.
I found the digging spot. I'm gonna go start digging. And you fight the bad guy.
What? You know I'm horrible. You're expecting me to do the...
Hey, stop it. Stop it. Let me dig this.
Alright, I killed him.
A trophy.
Nice. That's dinky. Oh, I forgot.
Good
I like that sound. By the way, if you guys ever know what these do, guess what they do? Something awfully incredible. And guess what? That is nothing. Absolutely nothing.
What are you talking about?
Like, this thing.
Oh, yeah.
It does absolutely
This
nothing.
thing, and this thing do absolutely nothing.
Yeah, they do absolutely
The
nothing.
arrow and shovel.
It's a boss.
It's not a boss. It's not a boss.
Yes, it is.
It's a fake boss.
No, it's a boss. And it knows spinjitzu. It knows spinjitzu. That means it watches Mega Ninjago. I like to throw you away. Hey, stop! I need some food to you, idiot bird.
Idiot big. Idiot big.
Because we're idiot friends.
Thank you.
Stop! I need food too.
Idiot, it's the bird that's doing.
Blue diamond.
Ram? They're big. The big talking to the ram.
Stop.
And they're floating.
And come on, we're sitting out in the rain in very tall grass.
Oh!
Ah!
I forgot about that part.
I see.
You have any sandwiches?
Yeah. I have 5 though.
I have 9. Oh, you have 2.
Take this on. Tuck.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, you want to?
Apple.
Oh, you want to try me?
Oh. I'm
It's
following you, but I'm stronger. Look at that.
Oh, they're only little guys now. Okay?
Just kick them up to the ceiling.
That's what I'm doing. This guy's already dead.
Please. He's like,
Lily,
why would you even kill him in the first place?
I did. I want to come over here. What? Remember?
Look at if we go back here, he's like, what the heck? But how do you get past that?
Wait. Oh, there.
You blew me up.
Who?
You.
I can't blow you up.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
You just put me in a smoke.
Oh, I thought you meant
Now take
I
some
literally blew you.
Now take some love. No!
That was your last.
No, I don't have any more. Make me
Ooh.
buy some.
Mm.
Ew, why are we in this other?
One of these have a sword. One of
He's
these.
back here.
I know. Wait, there. No, waste your bomb. Don't waste your bomb.
Okay.
Where's this?
Ew, I don't want it. How many bombs do you have? 0.
Ha! My powers are bomb.
Oh, right. I forgot.
Bear.
Just skip it. Just skip it.
I mean, I had bombs. Oh no.
Dude, no. Oh my gosh. There's me. There's me.
No, it's not you.
Yeah, that's me.
Nobody listens
That's
to
how,
him.
that's how I look.
Nobody listens to him.
That's me. That's totally me. Alright. Remember how I said we make people poop, fart, and throw up, and caca?
Wait, I got buzzes.
And put up and raise up your armpits at the exact same time and do absolutely everything gross. Well, here's the day they do that. So guys, you're going to do everything disgusting as soon as you see this. Everything. Because you're going to feel disgusted, then you're going to think you're going to look disgusted,
Oh wait.
then you're going to feel disgusted.
Here, guys.
Here is the time.
Here's the time you guys are gonna feel disgusted.
Look, here it is.
Poisonous poop.
Yes.
licks you.
Bloodily licks you, and he looks very scary. He looks like an idiot.
He's an idiot, friend.
Idiot.
Oh my god, it almost
He's pooping. He's pooping. Get away from him. Oh, that was quick. And then he turns into a normal, cute little bat. Little bird.
Woohoo! I took it off. Hey, no, stop taking away my money. He's taking away my money.
That was a lot of XP there. We got more money than you.
Go.
Oh no, we're not doing this part because there's no box. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video now. Because it's about to rip the heads off.